The most versatile grill in the world can now go anywhere too. I'm Jerry with ATBBQ.com, and Yoder Smokers just updated the Outlander series of pellet grills for the YS480 and YS640 pellet grills. You now have two choices of tires. So whether you're looking at the YS480 or the YS640, you can now get it with either a standard wheel package or an upgraded wheel and tire setup. At its core, nothing has changed. You still have the same heavy-duty Yoder construction, you still have the precision temperature control, as well as the versatility to smoke, bake, and sear, all on the same grill. The standard wheel package features a 10-inch black powder-coated wheel with a 6.5-inch wide tire. It keeps the footprint more compact while still delivering smooth and controlled movement. The upgraded option steps things up with a 10-inch aluminum wheel and larger 18-inch tires. That gives you more ground clearance, a wider stance, and even more mobility over gravel, grass, or uneven terrain. It also adds a little extra flash with the aluminum wheels for a more polished look. Both versions of the Outlander cart include an articulating steering axle and tie rod ends, which gives you better control and a tighter turning radius. The carts also feature a handy storage system on the back for the steering handle. And one of my favorite things about the Outlander cart is that it raises the grate height up another 4 inches to almost 36 inches. Both versions of the Outlander cart are available at atbbq.com. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll see you next time.